front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by finding an app called File Manager and tapping on it. Then you need to click on All and look for Download folder. When you find it, tap on it. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Then click on one of your apps you want to open your file with. I will stick with photos. And tap on just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!